In honor of you, Lamont Wright, I did this for you, man. Rest in peace. I greatly miss you. Wish you still here with us, but you know what? Glad I did this for you, man. What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. Fords. Well, I do have a newfound respect for Mustangs, but you know what? This is the holy grail right here. I'm in a Shelby GT500, the current body style S550, and I can thank my good buddy Ben right here for the first time ever giving me a ride along of a GT500. Ben, once again, I greatly appreciate you giving me a ride along today of your GT500. So Ben, let me ask you, hey, what got you into Ford Mustangs? Like, why you like Shelby?
Well, Shelby's because it's top line, but Mustang because mom and dad had an 89 LX when I was a kid, 5-liter automatic. Oh yeah, Fox body, and ever since then it's just been Mustang throughout.
Oh, cool, man. So, you know, you're a diehard muscle car guy, especially Ford Mustangs, and you have Mustangs in your DNA since you was younger.
Yep.
So, hey, it runs in the family, ain't nothing wrong with that. And here you are, you got the latest and greatest. And you know what? I hope you really enjoy it, man, because this is a dying breed right now.
I do.
Avenue go out to sort of like the countryside a little bit.
I mean, the holy grail of Ford Mustangs right here, Carroll Shelby, well, he seen the potential with the first generation Mustang. He knew right there, we could do something with this. Of course, him having a racing background, and he was a race car driver and engineer himself, there you go. Now his legacy still lives on, even though he passed away like really 10 years ago. But it's cool that Ford continued his legacy, and here we are today. Like you said, no lag on this engine. It just goes once you like rev it out to red line. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. They don't get no better than that. In honor of my late cousin Lamont Wright, this is for you, my guy. Rest in peace. Ben, I greatly appreciate you giving me a ride along your 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500 today. This is a badass ride, and I got a newfound respect for Ford Mustangs, man. Especially with this beast right here. This is Carroll Shelby's legacy right here, and it still lives on, man. And I'm happy you enjoying this car. You know, just your little once, and you got to do it while you're still alive.
Damn skipping.
Oh yeah, absolutely. All right, everybody, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo.